The a la carte is one of the most influential custom hot rods ever built. Based on a 1929 Ford Model A Roadster pickup, it was created between 1956 and 1957 by George Barris, owner Richard Peters, and chassis specialist Blackie Gejeian. Barris developed the styling in Los Angeles, while Peters and Gejeian fabricated the chassis in Fresno. According to Barris, the name originated while he was sketching ideas on a restaurant napkin and noticed the words a la carte on the menu, replacing the C with a K. The chassis became a showpiece in itself. Nearly every suspension component was chrome-plated, including the dropped front axle, wishbones, coil springs, panhard bars, shocks, and rear axle. Airbags hidden inside the coil springs allowed the truck to sit extremely low, an advanced feature for the late 1950s. Power came from a 1954 Dodge Red Ram Hemi V8 removed from one of Peters' racing boats. Equipped with an Iski camshaft, Hillborn fuel injection, Scintilla Vertex magneto, and custom headers, the engine was paired with a 1939 Ford transmission using Zephyr gears. 4 exhaust pipes exited beneath the rolled rear pan. Barris transformed the body by grafting the rear section of a 1927 Ford Roadster onto the pickup, reshaping the fenders, fabricating a custom grille, and building a handmade steel bed with decorative gold inserts. The 3-piece hood was formed from aluminum. Vertical quad headlights came from a 1957 Chrysler, while the taillights combined 1956 DeSoto lenses with 1958 Chevrolet Impala bezels. Finished in Swedish white pearl with candy gold scallops and Dean Jeffries pinstriping, the truck featured a luxurious interior by Roy Gilbert using white pearl naugahyde, black velvet trim, a 1957 Corvette gauge cluster with Stuart Warner instruments, and a 1957 Lincoln Continental steering wheel. Just weeks before its debut, a fire destroyed 14 vehicles at Barris Customs, but the a la carte survived because it was stored in a separate building. The truck debuted at the 1958 Grand National Roadster Show, winning the America's Most Beautiful Roadster trophy. It repeated the achievement in 1959, becoming the only pickup to win the title twice. It also appeared on the cover of Hot Rod magazine in October 1958 and accumulated more than 200 awards. In 1961, AMT purchased the a la carte and released a model kit that sold over 1 million copies, making it one of the most successful model kits ever produced. The original truck later suffered an engine fire, changed owners several times, and underwent modifications before collector John Mumford acquired it in 2001. A meticulous restoration by Junior Conway, Bill Gannell, and Roy Brizio's team returned it to its original appearance. Today, the a la carte is displayed at the NHRA Motorsports Museum in Pomona, California, where it remains a landmark of American custom car history.